not just on convenience and in fulfillment of people's stomachs. We want to encourage the country and our supporters to stand tall as we put greater effort to ensure that we are building better democratic practice for our great Republic of Kenya. And that better democratic practice must start by us ensuring that presidential elections are fair, are true, are meaningful, and reflective of the will of the citizens. I'll give you just one example. In proper conduct, it should never even be necessary for a candidate to have an additional agent, because why is it not practical for the IEBC officials who are paid with public money to actually conduct a fair, credible election? The very idea that you must have somebody else looking is because of the culture of stealing of votes. And this is what we must overcome. And therefore, we want to encourage the country that we, as Azimio, encourage everybody to join with us to build a truly democratic country. We thank you very much indeed. Yes, and in haste, I forgot to remind you, we are quite ready for the elections on Monday in Kakamega, in Mombasa, as well as in 6 constituencies, and we look forward to it. We encourage all our supporters and all Kenyans to get out and vote. It is your right, it is your responsibility. Tafadhalini, let us come out and vote on Monday in the respective areas. Thank you very much indeed. Fatma.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. On matters of court, we leave it to the good lawyers, though we know we have a strong watertight case, and we are prepared to go for a rerun. And we know when we go for a rerun, Baba will be the 5th. But I just want to say one thing about Mombasa. As all of us are going to Mombasa and Kakamega, to make sure that those are our traditional seats and we bring it home. But in Mombasa, it's really unfortunate that the CEO of IEBC recruited his wife to be the county returning officer for Mombasa, one Swaleh Yusuf. One, that is a conflict of interest. Number 2, there's a scheme to deny the people of Mombasa their will and to rig. And we will not going to allow that. So as we go to Mombasa, we want to tell Marjan, we know you have already planned using your wife to rig the election of Mombasa. And for us, the election of Mombasa and Kakamega and the other 6 constituencies is do or die for us. So you better watch out. We know your plans. And we want to tell the people of Mombasa, musikubali hiyo uchaguzi ya Mombasa isimamiwe na mke wa Marjan, the same Marjan who bungled the elections of the Right Honorable Prime Minister. And today he's in court. Thank you.
Asante sana.